Glad you have real time with a voice-to-text feature and enjoy music on the go. Some things are just inexplicably fun to watch. Today, we're looking at the most oddly satisfying videos on the internet. Mixing paint. This paint factory worker adds purple and white paint into a massive vat. A spinning mixer incorporates the colors to make a beautiful shade of lavender. Making honey. An industrial honey manufacturer takes a huge sheet of honeycomb and places it in a vise. This vise moves down over a double-sided blade, squeezing all of the honey free from the comb so it can be packaged and sold to hungry customers. Sun rays on art. An artist named Yifan Zhang has an amazing technique where he paints over rings or masking tape and then pulls them off his paintings to reveal a golden base layer. This creates the illusion of rays of sunshine in his artwork. Fixing a ring. This masterful craftsperson takes a damaged brass ring and pushes it onto an enlarging machine. A few simple rotations of the machine and the ring is back in perfect condition. Soldering rings.
Experiments can go seriously wrong, or can be a lot of fun. We're testing some science experiments to see what works. Fibers absorb moisture that travel through the capillaries. The fibers fill with water and straighten out because they can no longer bend much. Can you make a fog machine at home? Solder a hole into a plastic bottle.
This looks like a normal Zippo lighter, but it is a fully functional single-shot gun. The bullet only measures 2 millimeters, so the firearm will only work at close range. Cleverly disguised as a belt buckle, the self-defense belt contains a deadly pocket knife. Just slide the center section out of the belt buckle and defend yourself from assailants. Just snap this pen in half, rotate the barrel into place, and unleash a bullet on your attacker. Although it looks like an ordinary pack of cigarettes, this gadget actually contains a hidden razor-sharp knife. Deploy this morphing knife quickly with a push of the thumb. The lightweight blade is only 6 ounces and can easily fit in your pocket. Lightning-fast reflexes as they stick bars of soap into a container before it is packaged and sent to store.
Check out this incredible
Looks like an ordinary piece of metal, but it will keep rolling once you flip it. Much like a boomerang, this ball uses a tiny motor to fly back to you when you throw it. Just pour water into the base of this levitating water device, and it will use ultra-fast strobe lights to make it look like the water is floating. Check out the incredible optical illusions created by this 5-dimensional mesmerizing kinetic spinner. Watch as a toy Titanic sloshes around in multicolored fluid inside this plastic rectangular prism. You will be amazed when you see this physics-bending anti-gravity toy that seems to slow down time when you drop a copper ball into a metal tube. A series of weighted concentric circles will turn in perpetuity when you move this beautiful stainless steel device. Meet Marvelous, which recreated the classic marble track using refined design and high-quality materials. This one-of-a-kind holographic coin creates images of faraway galaxies when you spin it on any surface. Deal with yard waste or turn leaves into compost with this incredible leaf shredder. Just place a pile of leaves into the shredder, and it will quickly and quietly cut them into a fine mulch. It's easy to see surfaces while you sand them using this light-up sander that has 360-degree LED lights that illuminate the wall for perfect visibility. Using a precise technique, this metal worker bends solid iron bars around a circular mold and pulls them off quickly and efficiently. Fencing has never been easier with this one-of-a-kind staple gun that shoots heavy-duty staples into solid wood and connects wire to virtually any surface. Check out this swaging tool that spins inside of a copper pipe and expands it so it can fit over another copper pipe. This unique portable bandsaw table uses razor-sharp blades to cut through solid metal, either horizontally or vertically, and can be combined with any major brand of bandsaw. Just insert this portable motorcycle stand into the wheels of your vehicle, and it can smoothly rotate in any direction and on any level surface.
Oh, go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it.
She sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet.
Cracks between two planks of wood, apply a thin layer of glue, pour wood shavings over the glue, smooth it out, and let it dry. To repair damaged wood, place a hot iron directly on the surface, then iron through a wet towel. Then wipe the grime off with your hand and reveal the spotless surface. If you can't get a screw out, place a rubber band between the drill bit and the screw. The added friction will easily remove the screw. Save time while finishing nails on a woodworking project by cutting a small piece of wooden dowel and pressing it into the nail hole. Easily remove a screw by inserting a metal disc into a drill, fitting it into the screw head, and turning it counterclockwise. If you need to remove a segment of broken pipe but don't have a wire saw, just connect a bike cable to two handles and cut through the pipe in seconds. To remove a dowel, just grip it with pliers and gently hit the pliers from below with a hammer. Fill a hole in broken cinder block with this fast-drying cement. Just apply the cement, hold it in place, and it will stop water from flowing through. Watch as this talented worker operates a forklift with amazing precision and balances a step. Genius invention that moves a blade up a concrete wall, leaving a perfectly smooth surface. A traffic robot moves a flexible barrier into place to narrow a highway by a single lane to control the flow of cars. One machine pushes charcoal blocks from a rotating belt, and another machine moves them into a straight line. Just place this metal mold over concrete before it dries and create an evenly proportioned cinder block.
Okay, we need...
Starting with using a curved blade, this woodworker carves out the center of a ball of wood to create an incredible bowl. This artist places a tree stump on ancient machines that leave experts scratching their heads. Today, we're looking at the oldest technologies that scientists can't explain. Roman dodecahedra. Perhaps used for decorative purposes, Roman dodecahedra are tiny copper objects made of 12 pentagonal faces. Some researchers believe they were made to estimate distances or determine the optimal date for planting grain, but these bizarre objects remain a mystery. Giant stone spheres of Costa Rica. Ranging in size from less than an inch to 6.6 feet, the stone spheres of Costa Rica have become a national symbol. Weighing as much as 15 tons, some scientists think they were designed to represent the solar system. The Antikythera mechanism. Dated to around 205 BC, the Antikythera mechanism is considered by many experts to be history's first computer. The ancient device was discovered in the ocean off of a Greek island, and it was designed to track and predict celestial movements. Miraculously, this technology was not invented until the 14th century. A worker directs an automated donut machine that plops perfectly measured dough into hot oil. Leave both the tree removal easy by cutting the stump and hauling the tree away in seconds. Check out this rideable machine that removes tile flooring. Over 300 million people live in daily danger of earthquakes, so this team created an earthquake-proof table that you can safely hide underneath. Just place the Icaros line thrower at knee height, remove the safety, and pull the trigger, and it will launch a line hundreds of feet to save someone drowning at sea. If you need to rescue someone or abandon ship, this compact life raft expands to fit over 50 people. This portable elevator can be placed inside of any building and is elevated to help people escape from danger. Take this diesel-powered fire pump on the go and pump water during wildfires or at any other remote location. Stay afloat in the ocean with this amazing wristband that inflates when you pull on a lever and takes you immediately to the surface. Keep your community safe during floods with this ingenious invention that attaches to concrete infrastructure and expands when it encounters excessive water. Connect this handheld printer to your smartphone, send a file to the printer, and it will automatically print your design on the page with a wave of the device. Bring your music to life with this visualizer that mimics sound waves before your eyes. It uses an iron-based substance called ferrofluid that was designed by NASA and highlights the substance with built-in LED lights. Never stir your own drink again with this incredible mug that uses magnets to rotate and make a perfectly mixed drink. Clean dirty surfaces like the bottom of muddy shoes by applying a small layer of soap and using this rotating cleaner. The amazing device works on any surface and cleans it in seconds. Check out this smart electric toothbrush with 84,000 different movements, 4 different modes, and 32 different intensities. You can even control everything conveniently from an app on your smartphone or a touchscreen built into the toothbrush. Most incredible machines ever built. Scorpion King. Ponce's Scorpion King Harvester is a 22.5-ton beast, touted by its makers as a paragon of usability. The Mammoth Forest Feller uses a vice grip attachment to cut, strip, and prepare timber, plucking a tree from its environment and placing it branch-free on a stack of logs in just a few seconds. 3. The Bagger 293 is a 30 million pound, 730-foot wheel extractor and amongst the world's largest terrestrial vehicles. Its 18 buckets mounted on a 70-foot wheel can extract 530 cubic feet of earth in one go, allowing a total removal of 8.5 million cubic feet of material in a single hour. Big Bertha boring device. This Japanese device is the world's largest tunnel digging machine, creating a 57-foot underground tube. The machine has dozens of teeth, chipping away around 35 feet a day, and requires a shield, concrete panels, and other support devices to run behind it. Rock cutting wheel. If you're looking to slice through rock, the ChemRock DMW220 HD cutting wheel can slice down up to 3 feet into the rock with extreme force and is even effective on reinforced concrete. The device is known for its high productivity and, as well as conventional cutting, can also function underwater. The high-torque German machinery appears to move quite slowly but demonstrates a serious